Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Snipping Tool and begin because capturing quickly saves time. Start the app from start. You choose a mode based on the area you need. Once done, click New or press Ctrl+N to start a capture. This creates a temporary image in the editor. Make sure to position windows and hide sensitive info before you capture. You'll see the selection preview appear instantly, and that preview is what you will save and share next. Now that you have a preview, refine and annotate because clarity matters for communication. After selecting, use the pen to mark highlights and the highlighter to emphasize. The eraser removes pen strokes if needed. Make sure to zoom or recapture if edges are clipped. You can capture again with New. When the image looks correct, click Save or press Ctrl+S. This opens the Save dialog, so you choose Folder, File Name, and Format for permanent. Finish by choosing File Type and Destination, because that determines quality and accessibility. Select PNG for lossless quality, JPG to reduce size, or GIF for simple images. Then pick a folder and name the file, and click Save. Once saved, open File Explorer to confirm the file exists and preview it. If saving fails, make sure you have write permission in the folder or run Snipping Tool as administrator. Once fixed, repeat save and verify the image opens correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.